ഹായ് ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, വെൽക്കം ടു മൈ ചാനൽ വിങ്സ് ഓഫ് ഡ്രീം. ഇന്ന് 2017 ഡിസംബറിൽ നടന്ന കേറ്ററ്റ് എക്സാമിലെ കാറ്റഗറി 3 സോഷ്യൽ സയൻസിൽ നിന്നും ചോദിച്ച കുറച്ച് ചോദ്യങ്ങളാണ് ഈ വീഡിയോയിൽ ഉൾപ്പെടുത്തിയിരിക്കുന്നത്. നമുക്ക് ചോദ്യങ്ങളിലേക്ക് കടക്കാം. The required minimum population to designate a settlement as urban in India is 5,000. Who painted the picture in memoriam related to the revolt of 1857? Joseph Noel Paton. The highest mountain peak in India is located in Dash, Karakoram Range. The Cherikal land was controlled by Dash, Naduvaris. The Rourkela Iron and Steel Industrial Firm was started with the support of Germany. In India, the Council of Ministers are collectively responsible to Dash, House of People. Which ocean current is also known as Humboldt Current? Peru Current. The Election Commission of India does not conduct election to local bodies. In the lower part of the atmosphere, the rate of decrease of atmospheric pressure is dash 1 millibar per 10 meters of altitude. Erasmus was a native of dash Holland. The headquarters of UNICEF is located at New York. In India, coins and subsidiary coins are issued by Ministry of Finance. Which of the following is considered as the executive organ of UN? Security Council. Name the officer in charge of revenue in the central administration of the Delhi Sultanate. Wazir. The functions to be assigned to panchayats by the 73rd Amendment of the Constitution are mentioned in 11th schedule. As per 2016 World Human Development Report, India's rank is 131. The magazine Abhinava Keralam was published by Vagbhadananda. Identify the wrong statement regarding tides. Neap tides occur on new moon days. Lu occurs in India during summer. What was Bhaga that existed during the Maurya rule? Tax on land. Rule adjudication functions are performed by judiciary. Which of the following international institution established on 1st January 1995? WTO. Economic development means economic growth with dash structural change. The Himalaya mountains are formed along dash convergent margins. Who said that if non-cooperation was effectively carried out, India would win Swaraj within a year? Mahatma Gandhi. Cirques are erosional landforms created by glaciers. Name the ruler who introduced the coin solidus in Rome. Constantine. The peasants who cultivated in the farmlands of others during the Mughal period were known as Pahikashta. Which one of the following activities are included in the primary sector? Cultivating sugarcane. The term steppes denotes dash temperate grasslands of Eurasia. Who was the first to use the word Cold War? Bernard Baruch. A.K. Gopalan led the Patani Jatha from Kannur to dash Madras. In India, rice is mostly cultivated in the cropping season named Kharif. The land revenue system introduced by the British in India based on the Wren theory of economist David Ricardo. Right vary system. Which among the following is an example for spatial data in GIS? Farmland. In which of the following economic systems where the means of production are owned, controlled and operated by the government? Socialist economy. The first book completely printed in the Malayalam language was Samksheba Vedartham. The first regional initiative for economic cooperation and development in Southeast Asia is dash. ASEAN. FEMA stands for Foreign Exchange Management Act. Spectral signature in satellite remote sensing means dash. The amount of electromagnetic radiations reflected by an object. Which of the following came into existence on 1st January 2015 instead of Planning Commission in India? Niti Aayog. ഇത്രയും ചോദ്യങ്ങളാണ് ഇന്നത്തെ വീഡിയോയിൽ ഉൾപ്പെടുത്തിയിരിക്കുന്നത്. ഇതിൻ്റെ ബാക്കി ചോദ്യങ്ങൾ നാളെ അപ്ലോഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നതായിരിക്കും. നമ്മൾ എക്സാമിന് പോകുന്നതിന് മുൻപായി പ്രീവിയസ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പേഴ്സ് ഒന്ന് നോക്കിയിട്ട് പോകുന്നത് വളരെയേറെ ഗുണം ചെയ്യുന്ന ഒന്നാണ്. ഈ വീഡിയോ ഇഷ്ടമായാൽ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക, ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുക, എൻ്റെ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. തുടർന്നുള്ള വീഡിയോസ് അപ്ലോഡ് ചെയ്യുന്ന ഉടൻ ലഭ്യമാക്കാനായി ബെല്ലൈക്കൺ ക്ലിക്ക് ചെയ്യുക. താങ്ക് യു.